Are you ready for a little tutorial? Let's find a place. Easy peasy. Type in Kvartiru в аренду в Ростов-Великий, which means apartments for rent in Rostov the Great. You don't even have to use Russian. You can type that in English. There it is. The first thing on the list is Avito. Bam. Go ahead and click on that button and check this out. Now, by default, they're going to show you the daily rates. You don't want that. You want to click on this button, Srok Arende. This means the length. And you want to go ahead and click on this one, na длительный срок. 3 words for long term, in other words, in English. And you're going to go ahead and see a bunch of different listings for, well, long-term rentals. Look at that. Look how cheap that is. 8,000 rubles, that's $100. 13,000 rubles, that's less than $200. 10,000 rubles, you get the idea. You'll see plenty of cool places. All right. And this is just in Rostov. If I expand the vicinity to the greater Rostov area, I'm going to be able to find a lot more. All right. Good luck in your apartment hunting. And if you need some help, just message me. I'll help you out. Not a problem.